for me, work for me, work that body for me.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week's video is actually going to be Coach finds. So I did recently make two purchases, one being Coach Retail and then also another one being Coach Outlet. You should already know I have a serious obsession with Coach. Coach is that, it's just that. It is that girl, that brand. Say no more. But of course, you already know before I can officially start this week's video, I just have to take the time to thank everyone. Thank you so much, you guys. The likes, the comments, you coming back for more. It is so greatly appreciated. But other than that, though, let's just go ahead and dive into this week's video of Sable's Coach Finds. Okay, so for the first item that I would like to show you, this is actually going to be Coach Outlet. Three, two, one. It is this beautiful Coach Mini Rowan. Y'all, I can definitely understand the obsession, the hype around the Rowan. Like, I did not know that this bag was this good. Now, I did actually purchase the Coach Rowan Long Satchel earlier this year, and I absolutely love that bag. I love the structure of that bag. I love the shape of that bag. But I can see why the girlies definitely, just raved about the mini. The mini is so cute. Like, let's just get into this color. It's like a fuchsia pink color. This actually also reminds me back in May during my birthday month. I actually had purchased the Coach Quilted Tabby 26 and it was in the color fuchsia. So this color is definitely giving that pink fuchsia color and it is so beautiful. I kid you not. This is spot on the exact same color of that tabby. I did return that tabby just because, it just wasn't to my liking. And if you want to know the reason behind all of that, definitely go make sure you check out my birthday haul where I talked about things that I actually purchased for myself. And you'll see why I just decided to just go ahead and return that bag. But oh my gosh, you guys, this cute mini Rowan bag. It is everything. And if you have been watching my channel for some time, you know that I have always had an obsession with black bags. But when I saw this at the outlet and then I saw the price that it was, because it was actually on clearance, you guys. So I ended up getting this bag. I think it was like roughly around 80 bucks, if I'm not mistaken. I don't even remember what the original price of the mini Rowan was, but yeah, you guys, I got this at such an incredible deal. Like the only one. And honestly, I'm still shocked that this was just sitting there on the little clearance table. Like, let's just get into it. I mean, first of all, this material. I want to say this is the refined, like grained pebbled leather. I'm not quite sure. And then the gold hardware, stunning, just absolutely stunning. Like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And the luggage tag, it's the exact same shade as the bag. And that was really one of the reasons why I decided, I am so sorry, you guys. I'm getting tongue tied because I'm just so excited to talk about this find. But the luggage tag, it was a big deal for me because I wanted it to be the exact same color as the bag. And you're probably wondering what am I talking about? Like, that's why I say you would need to go back and watch my birthday haul of that Coach Quilted Tabby 26 in the fuchsia color, because when I purchased it, and I did purchase it through Amazon, but honestly, I don't even think that that would make a difference. But I purchased it through Amazon, and upon arrival and me unwrapping it, I noticed the luggage tag of that Coach Quilted Tabby in the fuchsia color was a shade darker than the like exterior of the bag and the interior of the bag. And even like the inside of the tab, because you have like that little flap where it says like quilted Napa leather. I think it says like genuine Napa leather now. That section, when you lift it up, it was also to a shade darker. And I don't know, that just really did not sit well with me. I am just a stickler for the little small details when it comes to handbags. And honestly, that's not really a small detail. Like, you know, the color of the leather, I feel like throughout a bag, especially if it's just a single color, it should all be the same. Like every shade should be the same. So, absolutely love this. $80, you guys. Coach outlet on clearance. And I just want to quickly show you the inside of the bag. I mean, it is quite spacious. Very, very spacious. Now, I haven't really like played around with the bag to see exactly what can go inside of it, but I am so excited about doing that. But yeah, you guys, this is the inside of the bag. You've got like that little side pocket right there. Oh, I still have a little tag. Yeah, the tag is on the inside of it. But then you also get the strap. Now, I will say I did try it on with the strap, and I actually like it with the strap. And I'm not really a person, especially when it comes to my Coach bags, because one thing about me and Coach, I love Coach simply because of the versatility. And I like the fact that they give you so many different like ways that you can wear the bag, from like the top handle or the longer strap. And while I'm not really like a cross body type carrying purse girl, I actually like this. Sorry, you guys, if I messed up the mic, but I actually like this being crossbody. So let me just quickly show you, like, super, super, super cute crossbody. So yeah, you guys. And I like where it hits me too, like on my hip. So I could definitely see myself wearing this like this summer, crossbody wise. Like I could. I definitely like it. And then, of course, top handle. But, having a bag this small, I definitely probably would opt to wear it most often crossbody or either like on the shoulder. Like, I like that. Absolutely love that. And I think Coach came out with this shade of color. I want to say it was like not early this year, maybe like around March, like the springtime. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, enough with me ranting and raving about the mini Coach Rowan. The last Coach purchase that I want to show you are these shoes. So I don't really have a bunch of Coach shoes. As a matter of fact, you guys, this is actually the second pair of Coach shoes that I've purchased. I did purchase a pair of shoes from Coach Outlet. Those, hang on, you guys, because I just want to show you really quick. Okay, so these are the ones that I purchased earlier. These are the Coach Outlet denim shoes. Absolutely love these. These are super, super cute. It's got like the silver hardware with the Coach. Love that. I think these also would be cute if they had like gold hardware, but that's okay. Love these, love these, love these. And these are just so comfortable, yet it's such a classic, basic shoe. Love these. And they definitely come in like so many other colors. So, Coach Outlet shoes I own, but I did actually purchase a pair of Coach retail shoes. Now, I will say, I did not go into an actual Coach store to purchase these. The nearest Coach store to me is all the way in Atlanta, Georgia, and I am here in the state of Alabama, so I am not about to go drive all the way to Georgia. So I actually ended up getting lucky, and I found these at the Belk department store. So for those of you that are not from the South, Belk, it's a department store, and I've said this so many times, you guys. Belk is a department store more so catered to people here in the South. It definitely gives you that vibe of like Macy's, Neiman Marcus, those type of kind of like department stores. I found these on clearance, you guys. Found these on clearance. Let me show you them really quick. So they are these really cute slingback heels. By now, you should know Sable loves a good slingback heel. It's all like more so like a kitten heel. I know a lot of people, oh, me walking around on them. I know a lot of people don't like the kitten heel, but I actually like a kitten heel. I will take comfort over anything. Well, no, let me take that back. Comfort and style when it comes to heels. I still like wearing my high heels, but I love a good kitten heel. So comfortable to walk in. I mean, stunning, you guys. Just absolutely stunning. And then look at like the bottom of it. I like that. I don't know why, but I just like the bottom of this heel. So definitely like these. I don't know what the name of these are. And then just to get into the detailing, we've got like the C there. We have the C on like the footbed of the shoe. And then we also have like this patent leather type kind of material, like that's going around like the heel or whatever. And then I love the fact that you can adjust these. I mean, I could definitely picture myself wearing these so many different ways with a nice pair of jeans, a beautiful dress, just so many different ways. And black, you should already know black. Sable loves the neutral color of black. I mean, it's just so easy to dress up, it's so easy to dress down. It can be worn all year long. Now, the price. I do want to say, hang on, you guys, let's see. Okay, so these were originally $225, and I ended up getting those. They were on sale for $99, and with tax, I paid about $109, I want to say. So in my opinion, that is a really good deal. That's a really good deal for, a genuine leather shoe and Coach at that. And if I'm not mistaken, I do believe these are Coach retail because I have scoured Coach Outlet's website and I did not find these shoes on their website. So I'm thinking these are definitely Coach retail. And I absolutely love them. Like I said, I know they're simple, I know they're basic, but Sable loves simple and basic. Simply Sable. So yeah, you guys, love these, love these, love these. And that is actually going to be a wrap for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed my two finds, Coach Outlet, Coach Retail. I'm telling you, you guys, Coach, they just keep amazing me just each and every time that I end up finding something inside of the store. If it's not me finding something on their website, they always have something that is just like, now, Coach, why would you do that when you already know that I've already spent this money? Like all this money that I've always spent. But I love a good Coach deal. Like I have been probably wearing Coach probably since maybe like my preteen years. I know my mom, she was the first person that bought me like my first Coach bag. But yeah, you guys, Sable loves some Coach. And with that being said, please like, subscribe, comment, and until next week, bye.